Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create quizzes using Gohighlevel to generate high quality leads. Most of the agency owners are trainers, coaches, fitness trainers or something like most of the people really wanted to qualify the high quality leads for their businesses by generating or conducting some quizzes, right? So in Gohighlevel, you can create the customized quizzes to generate high quality leads using this powerful strategy. So without wasting any time, let's dive into this creation of quizzes in Gohighlevel software. So very simple. When you are having this Gohighlevel sub account, just go to the sites options on left side. So click on the sites options, and you can see the top right side. You can see like quizzes. So you just click on the quizzes and click on builder. So now you can see the button called like add quiz. So you can click on add quiz. So you can create from the templates or you can create from the scratch also. Okay, so you can click on from scratch and you will be into this editor mode. So you can name the quiz. So what exactly kind of quiz you are creating, you can name it also. So these are all the element section on the top left side you are seeing, right? So there are like things. So quizzes is nothing but like people are answering one question and go to the next option, and end of the form we are capturing their name, mail id and phone number, and giving some ranking or scores, right? So most of the people will overwhelm by seeing that results at end of the right, and we can use some discounting codes when we are running some offers in our agency or any program. So people can feel like very excited, right? So that is what where quizzes works, to be honest. So very simple. On left side you can create multiple choice questions or yes or no buttons, some kind of short answers, long answers are like this. So very simple. So you can drag and drop, very simple. Only to create some custom coded or something like that, just very simple. So I wanted to keep this simple short answer like option 1, option 2, option 3. So let us imagine I wanted to create this quiz for my customer for fitness coach. Okay, so this is what I am my main intention to quiz the type create the quizzes. Very simple. Okay, I'm just drag and dropping. So I can click on that next option. You can create a number of pages. So next option will be clickable. So let us imagine we need to customize this question. So single choice answers. So uh, like for fitness we are answering like multiple choice questions or something like that. So how fit you are. So how fit you are. So this is what my question. So how any questions you can customize this process also. So I can add this kind of questions. Okay, so I can give that option 1 like fit. Okay, so option 2 average. I'm creating this piece for like a gym kind of whatever it may be. You can think about like this. Okay, so option 3 is like unfit. So for this, I can give some scores also. So people will feel something like overwhelmed. The people are feeling something like very fit. So what I can do, so if the people are submitting on the answer fit, so I can give some question and I can jump to the next question also. Okay, I can answer this and people will answer the fit. I can give the some score like 1 or 20 points or 10 points like this. So next question, I can jump to the I can create the next question and jump into the next question. If the people are unfit for this program, so if the people are answering unfit, so we can disqualify the leads also. That is what where we can create the quizzes, right? So we are clicking on this next page. So you can make like mandatory, very simple. So you need to create these questions are very mandatory. It's very simple. You need to select that question and you can make like question must should be required. So people can't skip the question. So if you make it, if you are not making this question is required. Okay, so that is what. So if you are planning to create one more page, so just click on to the page option. So add another question. So if you want like any kind of numbers or short answers or drop down something like if you're having like multiple choice or something like that, you can have the drop down list also. If you are giving some options though, so they need to select from the drop down list, you can drag that option also. If you want any specific number, if you wanted to confirm their age or whatever it may be. So what is your age? Age is just like a number, right? So they need to enter the number, exact number, right? So we are going to be what is your age or something like that. If you wanted to qualify the people depends upon age or something like that. What is your age? So most of the people will feel uncomfort if they are asking age. So any a numbers or how many days or something like that, you can ask some custom questions like this. So uh, how many at which date they are available at, that kind of things you can keep it like a number. So okay, what is your age? So for better understanding, so definitely they can answer one question here. So then they can submit, or else before moving forward, so we can capture their name also. So like this you can have at least 3 4 questions, and for each question you can rank some points. So we given like they're answering for the category fit, we are answering, and if the people are unfit, we can answer some questions like this. So we can give some scores, and then this will be looks very beautiful, right? So we can give some scores like 20 30 or something like that. So depends upon scoring, you can customize all these pointers, and people get into the what's the age, and they can we can make it like required, and we can add some other questions, or we can capture the name, mail id, phone number, and they can submit that. So that is what end up initially when the quiz is started. If you ask name, mail id, phone number, already they are generated some leads, right? So it's really not required in initial step to capture the name, mail id, and phone number in quiz format. Basically we need to ask some questions. If they are interacting with that questions, and end of the day we can answer some custom questions like name, mail id, phone number, definitely they will answer, and that is what high qualified leads, right? So like very hard filtration, we can say that, right? So at the end we can ask some questions like their full name or first name, last name, and full name. They can make it like required, so then only they can submit, or else like they can skip it also. So first name, last name, email id, or something like phone number. So if you are shooting some messaging or like emails, you can use this kind of format: name, mail id, and phone number, and they can click on submit. That's it. It's very simple, 3 pages piece. So it's very beautiful, right? So we can do some customizations also. We can make some color combinations, and you can do some spreading columns or something, like you can explore all these options, and you can use this kind of powerful things. Okay, so you can use this kind of customizations, and you can advanced settings, go to the advanced settings, you can give some unique things, and you can go to that styles options. You can make some paddings, footers, labels, width box, or something like that. So if you want like line type, you can answer this kind of questions very line, or else if you want in the box format, you can do it. You can adjust all the width and everything, like you can change the next color, button color also. You can make some color combinations if you want it. This button needs to be some color or something like that. You can adjust all these color combinations, and the next previous buttons. So you can change these beautiful color combinations like this. So it's more attractive, and you can see these colors are changing. You can make some advanced stuff and all like this, and you can put all these input field labels, short, custom css, or something like that. You can do all these kind of things. It's very simple and very powerful. Okay, so this is how you can create quiz, and you can save it. Okay, so you can save it, and you can answer it in the preview. I will show you it in the preview by answering some things, uh, and you can add some custom questions also by clicking on the left side, and you can do this kind of customizations by creating quizzes, and you can save it, and you can preview, and you can answer it also. And how beautifully the quiz is customized, and you can see this is what we created from scratch, right? So how fit you are, like if I answering like a fit, 1 second, it's loading. So if I am answering like a fit, I just wanted to be refresh. Yes, I'm just clicking on the option called like fit. I'm just refreshing. So I'm loading that quiz preview. I think so. Here is the preview link. Yes. So very simple. I'm answering the fit, and what is your age. So I can enter some number like 30, something like that, and clicking on next, and it's automatically capturing name, mail ID, and phone number. Right. So very simple. So phone number, and I can submit this. Boom. Now the answer will be results. Very awesome, right? So if you're liking this kind of content, so like this video, and what exactly you are having any questions or something like that, just let me know in the chat box how you are feeling after watching this video. Just let me know in the uh, just let me know in the chat box, so it will be highly appreciated. So this is how the ranking overall score, and the lead will be captured in our system, and we can contact them. Hey, hi, thank you so much for submitting your quiz. So you got like 50% marks or something like that. You can give some discounting or something like that, and that is what people will show very much interested when when they participate like this, right? So it's a highly appreciated. This is how you can create quizzes in Go High Level, and it will be generate. We can generate more qualified leads. Hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching this video. And you can subscribe to our channel for such kind of content. And what you're feeling, just let me know in the chat box and like this video. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. So take care. Bye bye.